Get your tickets to a Bucks game today at Darrow Kia. As the official automotive sponsor of the Milwaukee Bucks, Darrow Kia locations are giving away Bucks tickets with the purchase of a vehicle. You will feel like a champion driving in your new Kia to see the world champion Milwaukee Bucks throw down the competition. Like the Bucks themselves, Darrow Kia throws down the savings and the cash by offering top dollar for your trade. Your trade is in high demand and worth more than you ever thought possible. Plus, right now, get no payments for 90 days. And remember, your new Kia comes with a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Let's go see the Bucks in your brand new Kia. Discover the Darrow difference, where the customer comes first. Visit a Darrow Kia location in Waukesha, Wauwatosa, or Madison and command the season. Or visit them at russdarrowkia.com.
Warranties on limited powertrain warranty. See kia.com or retailer for details. To qualified buyers, interest will accrue at date of purchase. Must be 18 years or older. See dealer for details. 2 tickets per household. Ends 1/2/2022.